up, y'all? It's your girl Janelle Nat, and I'm back with another video. I know I look a mess right now. I need to like brush my lashes out and my hair done, which is why this will be a prepare for my family vacation trip with me. So today I'm gonna be getting my nails done because as you can see, I'm missing one and they still out wrong. I'm also gonna be getting my toes done, and hopefully tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, I get my hair done. I think I'm gonna keep the same style, just maybe like some tribal in the front and then radiator twist because some of them did come out, but I also had this in for a long time. So yeah, you guys are just gonna come along with me. My mirror a little dirty, but the nail salon fit. Cute. And now I'm also making bacon, yeah. Okay, so change of plans. I eat breakfast and all, but I won't have time to go get my nails and my toes done, so I'm actually gonna go get it tomorrow. Just about to get ready for work.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be a man, but now I'm a bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now I'm a bitch, okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he want.
Look at this. It's broke. So I'm currently trying to find a new camera lens. I don't have to carry my phone. That was the point of getting the camera. I'm really just about to swoop my edges and maybe do another style. I don't know. We gonna see. Y'all, I'm here at work. It's hot. But I'm debating on if I should get these shoes. They on sale, you see them. 19. Good morning. It is the next day, Sunday. Right now, I'm currently about to go to the nail salon to get my toes done. I did hit a girl up. I was gonna get my nails done at the nail salon as well, but then I saw a girl's post that I follow that do nails, and she was like, she looking for a nail model. So I was like, maybe I should get my nails done by her. But she hasn't texted me back since I texted her like 8 o'clock this morning. She still ain't hit me back. But we gonna see about that. This is the nail salon fit.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shit.
Right now, I'm just taking out my hair so that my sister can redo it.
Slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Two-tone Cartier matching nails, ho. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around the snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches.
Alright guys, so I'm at my mom's house right now. I'm waiting to go get my nails done. I just had to pop off like 5 of them off, but this pinky's still on because it won't come off. But we had got us some shirts made. I want to show y'all, but I folded them up. Let me see. They got the Mickey on the front and then the trip on the back. So they're really cute. Again, I still didn't get a camera lens. If y'all can't hear, it's because the fan, but I still didn't get a camera lens, so I'm gonna try to record me getting my nails done. I'm just not sure how much I'm gonna be able to record because again, I can't like set my phone up on like a tripod or anything. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna go home, pack my bags, and yeah.
Not keep me started, got in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play.
Alright y'all, I'm back home. This is the nails. The set eats. And mostly my bag is packed. In the next vlog, you guys will see the vacay. Family vacation 2024. This will conclude this vlog. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next video.